In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error 1000 in Cloudflare CDN. Error 1000 usually means your DNS or proxy settings are pointing traffic somewhere Cloudflare won't allow, or your origin can't be reached the way Cloudflare expects. We'll walk through a clean, reliable way to diagnose and resolve it inside your Cloudflare dashboard. First, open your Cloudflare dashboard and head to the section where all your sites live. Click on Domains to see the list of domains in your account, then choose the domain that's showing the error. Getting into the right domain ensures we're adjusting the exact configuration that's causing the issue. Once you're in the domain, go to DNS. This is where Cloudflare routes traffic to your origin server. Click on Records to see every A, HOA, and C name entry. Find the record associated with the host name that's failing with error 1000. If the error appears on your root domain, look for the record labeled with the root. If it's a subdomain, find that specific entry. Taking a moment here to confirm you're editing the precise record will save you time. Click Edit on that record. You'll see a proxy status option. This is the orange cloud that means Cloudflare is sitting in front of your server. Turn proxy status off to switch the record to DNS only. This change temporarily removes Cloudflare's proxy layer and sends traffic directly to your origin, which helps isolate whether the proxying is contributing to the error. This does not remove the record. It simply stops proxying for that host. Click Save, then try loading your website again. Give it a minute or two. DNS changes at Cloudflare are fast, but your browser may cache results briefly. If the site now loads, you've confirmed the issue was related to the proxy or SSL mode rather than the DNS value itself. If it still fails, double-check that the IP or target you're pointing to is correct and reachable. Next, go to SSL or TLS in the left menu and open Overview. Here, make sure the encryption mode is set to full or full strict. Full means Cloudflare will connect to your origin over HTTPS even with a self-signed certificate. Full strict requires a valid certificate on your origin and is the most secure option. Using flexible can cause redirect loops or origin handshake problems, which often surface as errors when proxying is on. After setting the appropriate mode, test your site again. With the DNS record corrected and proxy temporarily off, and SSL TLS set to full or full strict, error 1000 should be resolved and your traffic should flow cleanly to your origin.